Hey friends! Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. It's Camp NaNoWriMo right now, which means word sprints, new stories, new ideas, and new characters. So in preparation for today's video, I flipped through some of my favorite writing books. One thing I loved in particular was the idea of taking your character for a test drive. Who cares about canon? Here I say, to hell with the audience. This isn't for them, this is for you. Joyride the character around some flash fiction, a short script, a blog post, a page of dialogue, a poem, or whatever. In Ready, Set, Novel, the NaNoWriMo Writer's Workbook, you can find a lot of these exercises. And it's also really easy just to Google some prompts that don't have to make it into your story. What would happen if your character lost something very valuable? Your protagonist's mom was interviewed by a local paper about their achievements. Don't forget to have fun, get to know your characters, and experiment. Camp NaNoWriMo is all about getting those words onto the page, but not all of those words have to get into your story. I will see you next Monday.